Alright, Quilla, I'm gonna give you some water so we can go to bed. Let me check your soil first, because I want to make sure I'm not overwatering you. Okay, yeah, she needs water. So today was a long day. I'm gonna keep this video short because I'm tired and I need to get some rest. But I do want to check and see how she's doing. So let's see. Ooh, hold on. Ooh, how can I show this? Okay, let me see if I can. There is like a little, tiny little plant right here. There we go. There we go. See? She got another little leaf growing right here. And this one is grown a little bit bigger. It's about another, oh, I think this one is about another inch. This is still growing. And she looks sad. It's okay. Perk up. Why are you sad? Are you thirsty? Well, give me some water. Let me just make certain that you are doing okay over here. Let me see. I don't see anything else growing from her. She seems to be doing pretty good. No changes in the leaf coloring. Okay, let me give her some water. And this is her water bottle. So I want to make sure I don't. Let me stir right here. I kind of want to avoid the small, tiny leaves. Okay. Okay. Alright. So I'm going to give her just one water bottle this time. Last time I gave her two. I should have gave her one. So she has one. I'm just gonna close this. Okay. Her soil feels much better. Yeah, that's much better. You can tell because she got some nice dirt. I think she enjoyed her day today while I was at church. I don't know. She looks sad. Perk up. Please perk up. Perk up. For me. Aww. She must have been lonely while I was gone. Poor baby. It was only for just one day. If I could have taken you to church, I would have. Okay. Well, I'm gonna let you get some rest now, okay? And tomorrow we'll spend some time talking. I love you. Good night, Miss Quilla. I'm gonna get some rest too because the sun is going down and it's getting dark outside. It looks like it's light here, but that's because the light is like hitting the door of the closet. There is literally almost no sunlight left. So Miss Quilla will see you guys tomorrow in the morning. Yep, so we're only doing one video tonight because we gotta get some rest. Okay, She looks so sad. I'm going to work on trying to figure out a proper time to upload these videos. But hopefully I'm going to try at least do about 2 videos per day, minus Sundays. So we're going to work on that. No promises, but we're going to work. Alright. Good night, Miss Quilla. Get some sleep.